My name is Aida Maizara bin
Campus. I'm from Department of Civil Engineering.
World rising production of municipal solid waste (MSW) is mostly due to this enormous population growth, which also trigger rapid industrialization, urbanization, and economic growth. The objective of this study is to characterize and analyze the composition of generated solid waste at the National Defence University of Malaysia, UPNM. The survey was conducted at UPNM. According to the 2014 World Bank guidelines, the waste contained in this study was divided into 6 categories, which is including organic food, paper, plastic, glass, metal, and others. The result of the research show that the campus generated solid waste at a rate of 0.00065 kg per day as 8,778.25 kg per year at Kasturi Hostel, 0.007 kg per day, which is 9,536.50 km per year at a pool cafe, and 0.00035 kg per day, same as 500 per 3.70 kg per year at Jalan Lingkaran. The highest result of compositions for the sampling point was organic of food waste in pool, cafe, and Kasturi Hostel dump site area is 25%, which is 11.70 kg per day, 38%, 9.20 kg per day. Meanwhile, Jalan Lingkaran dump site recorded food waste and plastic waste at the same benefit in contributing a composition, percentage, and the rate of waste generation consumed per person of generated organic municipal waste compared to UPNM dump site. Next, we go to the problem statement. My problem statement is that the institution is worsening due to the students' habit to reheat leftover and a lack of understanding regarding the separation of rubbish, particularly recyclable garbage, prior to disposal. In the institutional context, they are only, for reference, 1 and 2 have performed solid waste management in Malaysia. Objective: to characterize and analyze the composition of generated solid waste at UPNM. Furthermore, to determine the waste generation and composition of municipal solid waste at the UPNM campus are study goals. For study areas, the study areas was in University Pertahanan Nasional Malaysia campus, Sungai Besi Camp, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia in Sungai Besi. This institutional was established in 2006, located at a coordinate, as I mentioned in this poster and this figure. 3 dumpster area has been identified in the UPNM campus, and this figure shows all the solid waste to be collected at the UPNM dump site. For my methodology, I will then identify dump site area in UPNM campus. First, dump site at the swimming pool. Secondly, dump site at the Kasturi Hostel. And thirdly, dump site at Jalan Lingkaran. Then, I will collect solid waste and do a sorting process. That measure solid waste generation, grading the waste, decoding the data, and analyzing the data. And for analysis method, I will go to descriptive analysis using Microsoft Excel and doing one-way ANOVA test. And after that, I will go to histogram, frequency distribution, and composition percentage. For summary, I will determine the generation, kiloliter per capita per day, and composition of municipal solid waste MSW in UPNM campus. This is a table that shows courtesies and squareness of Jalan Lingkaran, Pool Cafe, and Kasturi Hostel. Courtesies and squareness show how much the normality distribution in each of the dump site. Pool Cafe has the most solid waste of the 3 disposal buildings, 11.70 kg of solid waste. Most students and employees eat in Pool Cafe, UPNM, biggest cafeteria. On day 3, 5, 7, and 9, Kasturi Hostel dump site collected 6 types of solid waste. The Jalan Lingkaran dump site is far from the cafeteria and dormitories, which reduced data contribution. The dump site at Pool Cafe is 26.10 kg, and Kasturi Hostel is 24.05 kg, have more solid waste than 13.80 kg. For summary, the MSW generation rate (RW) at the Jalan Lingkaran, Pool Cafe, and Kasturi Hotel dump site was 0.00035 kg per capita per day, which is 503.70 kg per year. My RW is a 0.0007 kg per capita per day. And RW for Pool Cafe is a 0.00065 kg per capita per day. And the last for Kasturi Hostel is 0.00065 kg per capita per day. Research offer an assessment of solid waste production as well as a perspective into inhabitants' solid waste management, habit and behavior. The study of waste generation and composition data will aid in preparing for the future of overall waste generated trend and inhabitants' eating habits in relation to specialized injuries. These research strongly suggest that food waste composition be done at 3 different places since food waste made up the majority of the waste collected. Organic food waste has the potential to be recovered and used to make fertilizer. At the same time, as extracurricular activities for employees and students, the fertilizer may be utilized for planting and cost cutting. Due to a shortage of amount at eateries and hostel, the existing practice of utilizing separate waste in recycling bins appear to be well known. Recycling bins should be fully furnished and strategically placed in easily accessible place to enable and encourage students to utilize them. So that's all for me about my FYP poster. Thank you for watching.